In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the downstream O2 sensor on your Kia Sorento located under the vehicle. Let's get started. Moving under the vehicle, we're going to locate the O2 sensor right next to the catalytic converter. We're going to be using a 22mm extractor socket for the O2 sensor. Slide it in and get the sensor loose. Take the tool out and unscrew the sensor. And here's the old one. Now that we have the sensor out, we're going to go ahead and unclip this wire from here. Simply grab the wire and slide it out. We're going to do the same for the other one. And now we're ready to unplug it from the top. If we follow the wire for the O2 sensor, it's going to be located right here. We're going to go ahead and unplug it. And now we're going to remove the connector from the bracket. And for that, I'm going to use a 90-degree pick. We're going to push on the connector right here and slide it out. Just like that. And now we're ready to pull our old sensor out of the way. And now we're ready to install the new one. One thing to note, your new sensor should have anti-seize on the threads. If yours don't have it, please make sure you put some on. This will make sure that next time you need to replace it or remove it for any reason, it will come out. Also make sure that you don't get any anti-seize on the sensor part itself, because it will cause damage. Now we can go ahead and start it by hand. And when you do this, make sure that you spin the wire with the sensor to avoid any damage. Now that you have the sensor bottomed out, we're gonna go ahead and torque it to 36 foot-pounds. Now that we have the sensor torqued in place, we're gonna go ahead and attach the wire to these two clips. Start with this one. Go ahead and slide it in place and bring it all the way down. It should look like that. We're gonna do the same on this side. Now that we have both of the clips in place, we're gonna go ahead and plug the sensor in through the top. Moving to the top of the engine, we're gonna go ahead and put the clip in position, or the connector. Slide it in place. Clip it in. And now we're ready to plug it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.